How to make turmeric tea for weight loss. Turmeric has been used as a powerful home remedy to treat several health and beauty issues, and it can be used as internal and external problems. Turmeric is a wonderful antiseptic with an antibacterial property that works great with injuries and heals them rapidly. It is a great kitchen ingredient with amazing medicinal properties. How turmeric tea is effective for weight loss. Turmeric tea contains a special component called curcumin that is loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. If you are bothered with your fluffy body or excess body weight and done many solutions but received no results, then you must start drinking turmeric tea for a few weeks. Many researchers proved the visible results that turmeric is a superb fat burner. Turmeric tea helps to maintain the blood sugar level in your body and kills the extra fat. Improves digestive health. If you are facing any appetite-related or digestive-related issues, then you can drink turmeric tea mixed with little grated ginger. Ginger is also a strong remedy that helps in weight loss and improves appetite. All you need to boil some water in a pan and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with some nicely diced or grated ginger and let them boil for 8 to 10 minutes. Drink this herbal tea once in a day for a few weeks and see the results. You can also add some fresh mint leaves if you don't like ginger. Good for cardiac health. The whole world is facing heart problems due to poor lifestyle, and a number of reasons are responsible for it. Nature has provided amazing ingredients to humankind, only we are unaware of it. The studies have shown that curcumin is good for our heart due to its antioxidants and healing properties. It helps to open the clogged nerves and maintain blood sugar levels. It also helps to control diabetes and hypertension. If you are consuming turmeric tea, try to avoid oily and fried food for some days to enhance the effects of this miraculous drink. Helpful in arthritis pain. As we said before, turmeric has super healing properties, and you have heard your grandma saying apply some turmeric whenever you have muscle pain or twisted ankle. Its anti-inflammatory property treats arthritis pain and inflammation naturally. If you drink turmeric tea daily, then soon you get rid of arthritis symptoms. Prevent cancer. Some studies shown the results that turmeric can control the growth of cancerous cells, and people who take turmeric regularly have fewer chances of triggering cancer. Cancer is also one of the dangerous diseases that are killing thousands of people every year. The treatment is quite expensive and every person can't afford it, so start drinking turmeric tea and get rid of this disease naturally. Take a pan and add 2 cups of water and let it come to boil. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. It can be freshly grated or in powdered form. Let it boil for 10 minutes and off the flame, and add some freshly grated ginger or honey, both are optional. Now add some black pepper powder and mix well. Sieve it into a cup and drink slowly once in a day. Add this healthy beverage in your diet and always drink it fresh, never store this into the fridge. The best season to drink turmeric tea is in winter. You can also have this in summers, but don't add ginger. Drink turmeric tea after your lunch or before lunch, and do not eat anything for half an hour after drinking this. If you like this video, share it with others and subscribe to the channel.